Yo, the Flipper Zero is amazing, but what if I told you that you might not be using it to its full potential? Think about it, every time you want to flash your Wi-Fi dev board with something new, like Flipper HTTP or Marauder, you're stuck dragging out your laptop. Well, that all changes now. While it may not have the most downloads, I'm going to make the case today for why one app is arguably the most powerful and important one you can install in 2025. This is the app that finally makes your Flipper a completely untethered hacking and development sidekick. So, what's the deal with this app? Well, it's called ESP Flasher and it's made by a developer named Zero Chocolate or Cocoa Code. But simply, it lets you flash firmware into all sorts of ESP chips, like the brand new ESP32C5, straight from your Flipper Zero. No computer needed. You literally just load the firmware files onto your Flipper's SD card and you're good to go. For a long time, the biggest headache with using powerful add-ons like the Wi-Fi dev board was the setup. You used to have to plug the board into a computer, mess with drivers, and run a specific tool to just switch firmware. The ESP Flasher gets rid of all of that. It turns your Flipper from a device that just uses tools into a device that deploys them wherever you are. Alright, let's see what this looks like in action. We'll start with a super useful use case. Giving your Flipper untethered internet access with Flipper HTTP. The plan is to install the Flipper HTTP firmware onto a Wi-Fi dev board without a laptop. First, you need to download the Flipper HTTP firmware files and pop them into the right folder on your Flipper's SD card. Then, once we put our Wi-Fi dev board into bootloader mode and connect it to our Flipper, we fire up the ESP Flasher app. The interface is extremely simple. For this, we'll click Manual Flash, and then we'll go and select our files. For bootloader, we choose the bootloader file. For part table, we choose the partitions. And for firmware A, we choose firmware A. Then all we do is scroll down and click Flash Fast. And that's literally it. The app does all the work. And in about 30 seconds or so later, your Flipper will flash the firmware to the board. And that's it. You literally install a completely new firmware onto an external module using nothing but the Flipper itself. And there we go. You can immediately use your freshly flashed board to run Flipper HTTP, giving your device internet access for things like triggering webhooks or checking server statuses. You can do all of this from this little device in your pocket. This is the kind of freedom that makes the ESP Flasher so awesome. And if you think that's cool, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because I have many app tutorials planned in the future. This app isn't just for Flipper HTTP, it's a full-on development toolkit you can carry around. Imagine you're out in the field using Flipper HTTP and suddenly you need to switch to a Wi-Fi pen testing tool like Marauder. Before, you'd have to call it a day and head back home. But now you just open the ESP Flasher app, pick the Marauder firmware from your SD card, and flash the board on the spot. This completely changes how you can experiment and build things. You can keep a bunch of different firmwares on the SD card and swap between them whenever you want. Got a new custom build from a developer you want to test? Just load it up and flash it. Working on your own hardware project with an ESP32 chip? The ESP Flasher supports a ton of them, including the ESP32, ESP32S2, the S3, the C3, the C6, and the C5 variants, making it a must-have for any hardware tinkerer. It also plays nicely with popular custom Flipper firmwares like Momentum, which I know a ton of you are already running. This app really makes your Flipper a self-sufficient, all-in-one gadget. So let's circle back to the big question. Is the ESP Flasher the best Flipper Zero app in 2025? Well, duh. While other apps add functions, this one changes how you use the entire Flipper ecosystem. It cuts the cord to your computer and unlocks the true on-the-go potential of the Flipper Zero. And in 2025, with competitors like the BLE Shark Nano and H4n Portapack entering the scene, this level of self-sufficiency is what helps keep the Flipper a top-tier portable tool for pen testers, developers, and hobbyists alike. It's not just another app, it's the key that lets all the other hardware shine. So, what do you think is the most game-changing Flipper Zero app? Drop your favorites in the comments below. I'm Jay Blanked. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Flipper Zero content. Peace!